Medevac, a global leader in fluid management. The Medevac rigid canister system features disposable, hard, clear plastic containers with attached lids. An automatic shutoff valve and bacterial filter is located inside the lid to help prevent cross-contamination of regulators and wall vacuum outlets. The locking lid encourages the proper disposal of infectious liquid medical waste and enhances staff safety. To begin the rigid canister setup process, attach the lid to the rigid canister until all tabs have clicked. Insert the canister into the corresponding ring bracket. Connect the red braided tube to the vacuum port using a push and twist motion. Ensure a tight seal. Attach the patient tubing to the patient port. Verify that all connections are secure and that unused ports are capped. Turn suction on using on-off valve on the ring bracket or the regulator valve. While completing the shutdown process, ensure the vacuum suction remains on until the canister is properly sealed. First, disconnect the patient tubing from the patient port and securely cap the port. Next, disconnect the red braided tube from the vacuum port and securely cap the port. Turn suction off using on-off valve on the ring bracket or the regulator valve. Remove canisters by lifting upward on the rim of the lid and dispose of in compliance with your facility's protocol. Do not discard the ring bracket or vacuum tubing. To begin the rigid canister tandem setup process, attach lids to all rigid canisters until all tabs have clicked. Insert rigid canisters into corresponding ring brackets. On each canister, connect the red braided tube to the vacuum port using a push and twist motion. Ensure a tight seal. On the first canister, attach the patient tubing to the patient port. Attach one end of the tandem tube to the ortho port on the first canister. Attach the other end of the tandem tube to the patient port on the second canister. Repeat this process until all canisters are connected. Verify that connections are secure, unused ports are capped, and the ortho port is securely capped on the final canister. Turn suction on using on-off valve on each of the ring brackets or the regulator valve. While completing the tandem canister shutdown process, ensure the vacuum suction remains on for all canisters until all ports are capped. On the first canister, disconnect the patient tubing from the patient port and securely cap the port. Disconnect the tandem tube and securely cap the ortho port. On the second canister, disconnect the tandem tube from the patient port and securely cap the port. Repeat these steps for all remaining canisters. With vacuum suction still on, disconnect the red braided tube from the vacuum port on the first canister and securely cap the port. Repeat this process with each canister. Once all ports are capped, turn vacuum suction off using either the vacuum regulator or the on-off valve on each of the ring brackets. Remove canisters by lifting upward on the rim of the lid and dispose of in compliance with your facility's protocol. Do not discard the ring brackets or vacuum tubing. Cardinal Health offers a full line of fluid management products, including multiple canister options, suction tubing, yank hours, a disposal system, and accessories. For additional information on using the Medevac rigid canister system, please contact your Cardinal Health sales representative or visit us online at cardinalhealth.com.